What you doing?
Cooking.
Huh?
Cooking.
Cooking what?
Curry.
What kind of curry?
Right now it's just onions and salmon.
What's it supposed to be?
I don't know.
What's it gonna be?
It's gonna be curry, right? Or food.
This one.
That. Yeah. Let's go with that. Again, I don't shop, I don't do nothing, I just cook. This is gonna be one liquidy curry. You sure we shouldn't get rid of some of the water? I'm just saying, look. Too late now, it's all freaking mixing in there.
Genius.
You wanna do me a favor?
What?
Go get me the towel. Hand towel. So I can keep control of the pot, please. Please.
Ta-da! Finished product. Yay. Goodbye. Creepy. Creepy. Scary.